The Snap Frame Pedestal Sign Holder is a perfect lobby pedestal sign, menu, or directional sign and can be used for retail and trade show settings. All hardware for the Snap Frame is available in sleek satin silver or stylish matte black. Choose from two sturdy base options for the Snap Frame in round or square. The Snap Frame design of the sign holder makes it easy to install posters and signs or remove them and place a new one in the holder to easily update your graphics or message. Two aluminum uprights support the Snap Frame, giving it a noticeable height of 37 inches. The Snap Frame weighs a portable 20 pounds and includes a protective lens for the custom printed 17 by 11 PVC poster that is included with your full Snap Frame order. Hardware only and poster only options are available for the Snap Frame Pedestal Sign Holder.